What's up, guys? I'm coming back at you with another review. Today we got something that I believe can replace the Apple Pencil if you're not looking to spend $100 on a stylus. So if you're like me and you don't see yourself, if you're not really an artist and you don't see yourself using the Apple Pencil to do really good drawings and things like that, you just want an active stylus for maybe taking notes here and there and things like that, the BlackWeb rechargeable active stylus might be for you. Let's take a look at the pencil. It's housed in aluminum. Well, the one thing I don't like is the metal tip. It's got a metal tip on it, and I mean, tapping that around on your screen, it just doesn't feel right. Feels like you're gonna scratch it up. The top doubles as a soft touch stylus type thing. Really smooth, really nice. It's better than like a rubbery one, because the rubbery one grips to the screen. It's nasty. So that's a really nice touch to the pencil that the Apple Pencil just doesn't give you. The top, it's a magnetic, stays on there really nice. It's not gonna knock off. Then that reveals your micro USB charging cable, or charging port, I'm sorry. I like that better than the Apple Pencil because you plug it into the pencil as opposed to plugging the pencil into something. So this goes in, the Apple Pencil's lightning cable actually comes out. So then you're kind of sitting there with it plugged into your iPad like that, and I think that's kind of goofy. But there's your power button right there. You don't got to connect via Bluetooth or anything. You just push that. You got your blue oval. Cat back on, and then now you can use it. And let's jump into the Notes app. So I'm not an artist, but I'm going to select black fine tip marker, and as you can see, I mean, there's a couple spaces when I went to draw the D and the L for my initials. I'm going to do it again. Okay, that one was better, but there's still a space. There's a space there, there's a bunch of spaces in it. Maybe, I mean, I haven't charged this yet. It doesn't give you, it doesn't tell you how much battery's in it. I haven't charged it, but maybe that's the reason that that's happening. But I just feel like when you're drawing and you want to take notes, you don't want gaps in your lines. So that's something to keep in mind. By the way, this is right around $20. I think it was actually right at $20, actually. So much better than $100. So that was good. Then we got a D and an L. They both look good. They both look fine. If you don't want to spend $100 on an Apple Pencil, this would definitely be the way to go. I would recommend this item. It's definitely for somebody that just kind of wants to use it here and there to take notes and maybe draw a picture and just use it as a regular stylus. So, have a good one.